Hello, Imperial Ace here with just a quick little flight here on altitude cliffs of Dover. We spotted a German HE-111 all on its lonesome. And we are going to take it out with our Hawker Hurricane. We've already dealt considerable damage to it on the initial pass. Taking out a couple of the gunners. One of the engines is smoking. It's losing parts all over. And that'll do it. It's heading out. Successful flight.